So now we will see how you can read the JSON file using the Pandas library. So guys, over here, let us move to VS Code this time, and simply I'm going to create a new file. In this case, we are going to say read JSON.py file over here. And the very first statement that we are going to write is import pandas as pd. And then guys, after this, how do we read the JSON file over here? Simply by using the read_JSON function that is provided by the pandas library over here. Now guys, within the directory that is data, we have the data.json file as the sample file that I have created. So over here, simply we can refer to that particular file. So we have the data frame on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side we have the pd, that is the pandas dot read JSON this time. So guys, basically this is the function that will help us in order to read the JSON file, and then we can analyze the data. So we have to provide the directory path over here. So we have data followed by data.json file name over here, and then after this simply we can provide the print statement and print this data frame. So when we run this code on the terminal, you will be able to see the data related to the JSON file. So as you can see, it is having the same data that we were reading by using the CSV file in our previous video. So guys, over here in the similar way we had read the CSV file by using the read CSV function over here, but this time we are making use of the read_JSON file over here. And if I open that particular file, it is within the data folder. It will be having the JSON format. So as you can see, this is the format of the JSON that is present within this data.json file over here. It is listing the duration first of all, and then followed by the pulse, and then we have the max pulse as well, and then followed by the last column, that is calories as well. So all the data is present in the form of JSON format. So guys, over here we are able to read the JSON format as well, and then after this simply we can provide the info function also in order to check the important information about the data frame. So as you can see, we are getting all the columns within this particular data frame: duration, pulse, max pulse and calories. The first three columns are of the integer data type, and then the last column is of the float data type over here. We also have the memory usage, which is 6.6 KB in this case. And then also we can make use of the describe function over here in order to get the other stats of this particular data frame. So as you can see, we are getting count, the average, that is the mean, then we have the standard deviation, the minimum and the maximum numbers as well, along with the percentile as well. So guys, these are some of the important methods that you can use while reading the external file and analyzing the data. So guys, please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to see the head and the tail functions in pandas. So stay tuned.